Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Buick Encore. This guide will help you tackle this important repair with confidence. First, gather your essential tools, including various sockets, wrenches, a drain pan, and a torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so always ensure your engine is completely cool before starting. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from any potential hazards during the repair. Now, let's get started with the initial steps. Begin by carefully draining the engine coolant into a clean, suitable container. Next, you will need to release the tensioner and remove the serpentine belt from the various pulleys. For better access, unbolt and remove the water pump pulley. You will also need to support the engine with a floor jack and a block of wood to safely remove the engine mount bracket, which is held by three 15mm bolts. With the preliminary steps complete, it's time to focus on the water pump itself. Disconnect all hoses and any electrical connectors from the old pump. There are 10 water pump bolts, typically 12mm E-Torques, which vary in length, so keep them organized. After removing the old pump, thoroughly clean the engine block's mounting surface to ensure a perfect seal for the new pump. Install your new water pump with a fresh gasket, tightening the bolts to 71 inch-pounds, with 2 specific bolts requiring an additional 30-degree turn. Finally, let's wrap up this repair. Reinstall all components you removed, ensuring every bolt is tightened to its specified torque. Refill the cooling system with approximately 10 quarts of a 50-50 coolant and distilled water mixture. To bleed air from the system, run the engine with the coolant reservoir cap off until the thermostat opens and the fans cycle. After a short test drive, inspect all connections for any leaks and recheck your coolant level, topping off as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.